How to tension a saw chain. First of all, never work with such a chain and never use such an engine. Possible accidents are inevitable. First, place the saw in this position. Loosen the nuts on the bar cover using part 13 of the spark plug wrench. You don't need to unscrew the screws completely. Locate the tension screw on your chainsaw and slowly begin to tighten it. Do not stretch the chain too much so that there is a gap. After tensioning the chain in this way, tighten the nuts you loosened in the same way. This is how the chain is stretched.